Objective of this session is to learn about sets. Sets are unordered collection of distinct hashable objects. Now in practice, hashable means one can use sets for immutable objects like number and strings, but not for mutable objects like lists and dictionaries. Here we are creating a set from a list with the function set, inbuilt function set. Now if we put list as an element, it is giving type error because list is not hashable. In this case, here is a set where elements are different strings which are distinct. Now this Calcutta, this string is repeated twice. Now when we make a set, all elements become distinct, so repetition is removed. Now instead of using the built-in function set, we can directly define set using curly braces. Here is an example. There are two types of sets. Usual is the mutable sets and another is immutable frozen sets. Here the frozen set function is used to create an immutable frozen set, and then when you want to add a value 10, it gives attribute error because it is immutable. But if the set is not frozen set, then if you want to add, you can see here the element 100, value 100 is added in the set. Now if you want to add 5, there is no change because you cannot add the same element again. All elements have to be distinct. Now set object dot pop, it removes an arbitrary element from the set. Set object dot clear, it removes all element. Here we can see it returns an empty set. Now other set operation, here is a set, we are assigning it to variable all, and another set for boys and girls all minus boys. This is the set difference. So girls are, these 2, 8, 9 element are removed from this, you get this set. Now this vertical line is used for set union, boys and girls all, it gives the set of all. Set intersection all and set of element 2, 3, 12. Now common elements are 2 and 3, so output is a set of 2 and 3. Now let us move to Python practical session. There are 3 ways of creating set. First, we will make a set out of a list. Here set function is used and we are putting a list inside. Second case, again set function is used and we are putting a tuple to make a set. Now if the value suppose 3 is repeated, when we make the set, it will not be repeated, it will be shown only one time. It is shown only one time. Other way of creating set, is directly using curly bracket now. Because set is unordered, if we use indexing, it will give error. Suppose we give index 0, it is giving type error. Set object does not support indexing. Same is the case of slicing. We can try this. 0 to 2 colon. Set object is not subscriptable, type error. Now, if we create an immutable set, or maybe instead of this hashable object, if we put list as element, this will give error. It is unhashable, so it is also giving, because list is unhashable, it is giving type error. Now let's see what happens if we give pop command. It is selecting one element arbitrarily. Again, if we give once again, now if we give s2 dot clear, and now we want to see what is inside, it is showing an empty set. Now we are creating a set of all students and we are putting the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and another set of girls having the element 2, 5, 7, and then boys are the difference of all students minus girls. Now we can look at the element of boys. Now 2, 5, 7 are removed and rest of the elements are there in the boys. Now if we make an union of boys and girls student, the vertical line is used for union. It gives the original list of all students. Now all student set and This boolean and is used for intersection of set 2, 4, 9. So only the common elements of this original all students and 2, 4 are common element. So it is giving a set having the element 2 and 4. So what have you learned? We have learned about what is set, types of set, and operations on set.